The most common cause of appendicitis is fecal-lethal. And what is the Mentrol's criteria?
Mentrol's migratory pain, anorexia, nausea, tenderness, rebound tenderness, leukocytosis, shift left to right,
okay.
leukocytosis.
If the score is from 7 to 10,
Appendectomy.
we will do the appendectomy. And in a patient of appendicitis, we divide the patient with appendicitis from the cause of pathogenesis into how many categories? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? Obstructive or non-obstructive?
Yes, obstructive foreign bodies, foreign body.
Yeah.
And in non-obstructive like.
Tell me about the Rovsing sign.
Rovsing sign that we palpate the right iliac fossa, then pain in the left iliac.
We palpate the right iliac fossa and the pain will go to the left iliac fossa.
Left iliac fossa.
We basically palpate the left iliac fossa and the pain will go radiate toward the right iliac fossa. Okay, sir. Okay, a patient present to you with pain at the umbilical region, and patient also has a past medical history of the atrial fibrillation. What will be your diagnosis? Mesenteric ischemia, very good. And on the other side, if a 55-year-old male present to you with pain at the epigastric region, which is radiating toward the back, and the patient is also drinking the alcohol from the last 4 years, what will be your diagnosis? Acute pancreatitis. Which initial investigation you perform in acute pancreatitis?
Sir, we will do CT scan.
CT scan you will perform the CT. What is about the serum amylase, serum lipase?
Yes, sir. Initial serum amylase was sensitive and serum lipase is specific, but initial investigation is serum amylase.
Okay, serum amylase will perform first, and because serum amylase will be elevated than the serum lipase. Which one is the most sensitive or specific?
Sir, lipase.
Lipase. Which is the gold standard test for the diagnosis of the pancreatitis? Diagnostic test, gold standard test for the diagnosis of the pancreatitis. CT scan. It is a gold standard test for the diagnosis of the pancreatitis. Okay, switch. Two signs will be Cullen sign, shabash, and
Great Turner sign.
Great Turner sign. Cullen sign you see at which?
Discoloration of umbilical area and Great Turner sign on the flank area.
Will be on the flank area. And how you will treat the patient of the pancreatitis?
So first of all, we do an NPO, IV fluid with inflammation, then we give the antibiotics, and then after that we will.
Antibiotics play a major role in the treatment of pancreatitis or no? It doesn't play a major role. Okay. And what is the complication of the chronic pancreatitis?
Diabetes mellitus.
Diabetes mellitus, else than the diabetes mellitus. It can lead to the pancreatic carcinoma or no? And other than that, which vitamin deficiency you will see in this patient? Vitamin. Vitamin D, other than vitamin D. Specific name, which vitamin? Fat soluble vitamin deficiency. Okay, sir. Okay, a 45-year-old female present to you with complaint at the right upper quadrant region, and female is obese, and upon investigation we confirm that the female has the seven children, and the pain is also radiating toward the tip of shoulder. What will be your diagnosis?
Polylithiasis.
Polylithiasis. What is the most common cause of polylithiasis? Polylithiasis. Gallstone is a polylithiasis. But what is the most common cause of the polylithiasis? Due to high level of cholesterol. Cholesterol stone is the most common cause of polylithiasis. And about the cholesterol stone, we know which initial investigation you will perform in a patient with a polylithiasis.
CT scan.
CT scan will be the first initial investigation. Ultrasound. And which of following is the investigation of choice in a patient of the polylithiasis?
CT scan.
CT scan will be investigation of choice. Okay, tell me. Which will be the investigation of choice in a patient of the polylithiasis? Anyone? HIDA scan, we perform the HIDA scan in a patient of polycystic. Okay, if a patient presents to you with pain at the right upper quadrant and pain is radiating toward the tip of shoulder, the patient also have the fever, history of the fever, and with the history of fever, the patient has the nausea and vomiting. What will be your diagnosis? Nausea, vomiting, gallstone, and
Cholangitis.
it is not a cholangitis. Why it is a cholangitis? It is cholecystitis. I didn't mention about the jaundice.